If you're having a problem with your garage heater where it's not showing any indicator light at all on the control board, I'm going to take you up here and I'm going to show you how I fixed it. Then I'll tell you how I messed it up and how you can prevent it. So that is the indicator light that I'm actually talking about. And if that's not flashing at all, the first thing I would check, which was actually my problem, was the 3 amp fuse right there in the back. And as soon as I changed that and then threw the power back on, the indicator light started flashing like normal again. So how did I mess this up and how did I cause it? I moved my thermostat over here. It was over by the door. I moved it to this wall behind the heater so that the heater wasn't blowing directly at the thermostat itself, causing it to get a higher reading than what the actual ambient temperature in the room was. In the process of that, I cut the thermostat wire while the heater is still powered on. And since I'm running a Wi-Fi thermostat, it actually has a constant run of power. And when I cut it, I am pretty sure that I shorted it out with the other wires, causing that 3 amp fuse to blow. So if you guys ever have to move your thermostat, make sure that you take all the power off the heater before you cut the wires, or else you can short out that control board and cause that 3 amp fuse to blow. I hope this helped somebody, and if it did, give it a like, and I'll catch you in the next video.